Right, let's see how this pans out. Recording. Hello world, you're joining me apparently to put together an iris. So this is what I do. 3D print the parts and then assemble. This is a 6-leaf iris. It is for goggles. I 3D print these leaves flat. That's one of the limitations, I guess, with 3D printers. Certainly of this variety. But really you want a pin on one side and a pin on the other. And the way I've worked out to do that is to print them both on one side and then fold the end over. And you may notice that there's a little indentation, a little narrowing to indicate and help bend. And I also have this handy jig that will aid folding the right bit in the right place. So that fits in there, and then I just use this tool to help guide where the crease is going to be, and then fold it over, and there we go, one done. So we do that 5 more times. And then when we've done that, get a bit of super glue and put a little dab on the end, and that will stick it down and keep it in place. There we go. So super glue. I'll line them all up to do it. Just a little dab. Not too much, otherwise it oozes out, and then you have to clean it up. And then just fold it over, count to 10. And there we go. Sticks them down. And that's our leaves assembled. There we go. This one's got a bit of excess print on it. There we go. Alright, then the next step is to mount them onto the ring. The parts need a little cleanup sometimes. This one looks good. And yeah, we just stack them up on the ring. Like so. Oops. It's good to make sure that the glue is actually dried and not oozing out, because otherwise your iris is not going to open and close. I use this, I think this is a soldering tool. It's quite helpful for guiding so as I don't knock them off, because I'm under pressure doing it on camera. Yeah, that one fell off. Oh, I'm missing one. I can't count. Okay, I have a spare one. Spare one, just in case. Oops. Knocking everything over now. Okay, get rid of these little hairs that are they're sort of printed, and it oozes a little bit occasionally, and you get these little fine plasticky hairs coming off of it. There we go. Okay, so just lift that up and over so they can stack all the way around, and then we can get the body. And maybe I should be doing this so you can see on the camera. And then we line up the slot with the handle. Just pop that on there, a little jiggle. Just close and open it, make sure it's okay, and then slide it to the edge and lift it over, and then we got this little circlip. And again, just getting the little bits of plastic off. And then we insert that in the groove, and that holds the ring in place. Like so. And there we go, I've got a few stragglers of hairs. Get rid of those. They are plastic hairs, just so you know. Alright, there we go. One iris complete. Thanks for watching.